Hello friends, today's topic, these 7 stocks likely to appreciate a report. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. As you all know, we are making videos on reports from various newspapers and brokerage companies. We are not independently allowed to make predictions. That is why you can find many of these videos recently. The Indian stock market is dealing with multiple challenges such as weak GDP growth, weak quarterly earnings, geopolitical tensions, and FII's fund outflow amid rising US dollar. After the low GDP growth figures announced, markets opened weak and traded weak in the first half of the day. However, it recovered and had a slight rally in the second half. Markets were hoping for a rate cut on 6 December by the RBI. Although the economy has slowed down and the rate can be brought down, economists are predicting that RBI will not cut interest rates in December and will do so only in February 2025. Experts suggest a cautious approach to stock selection. Based on recommendations by 3 experts, the following are some stocks that may raise 8 to 18% in the next 3 to 4 weeks. Article published in livewind.com. Number 1. Bharti Airtel. Current price Rs 1642. Buying range 1600 to 1630. Target price 1775. Stop loss 1535. Upside potential 8%. Analysts from Anand Rathi Share and Stockbrokers predicted this. 2. Nalco. Current price 243. Buying range 240 to 245. Target price 265. Stop loss 225. Upside potential 9%. Analysts from Master Capital Services. 3. Piramal Pharma. Current price 273. Buying range 264. Target price 289. Stop loss 249. Upside potential 6%. Analysts from Master Capital Services. 4. Karur Vaishya Bank. Current price 237. Buying range 235 to 236. Target price 258. Stop loss 223. Upside potential 9%. Analysts from Master Capital Services. Fifth stock, Mazagaon Dock. Current price 4,555. Buying range 4,594. Target price 5,400. Stop loss 4,260. Upside potential 19%. Analysts from Choice Broking. Number 6. Ramco Industries. Current price 308. Buying range 303. Target price 350. Stop loss 281. Upside potential 14%. Analyst from Choice Broking. 7. Concord Biotech. Current price 2190. Buying range 2100 to 2130. Target price 2300. Stop loss 2050. Upside potential 5%. Analyst from Anand Rathi Share and Stockbrokers. Study the list of stocks suggested by various analysts and observe their technical analysis graph. If they are providing a buy indication, you can consider for short term if you have risk appetite. When we read and research about various companies, we learn new things about businesses and how things operate. Such knowledge will be useful and give you good experience for your future. End of the video, here is a question. The last 2 to 3 months, have you made money from short-term trades? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.